everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to add a signature on Yahoo Mail. You can add a signature in Yahoo Mail through the web interface and also through the mobile app. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the mobile application. Launch Open Yahoo Mail application and log into your account. From the main home page, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Now, scroll down under General and tap on Signature. Once you end up in the Signature tab, toggle on the button right next to Signature to enable the Signature option. Now, go ahead and select your account and type in the signature you would like to change to or add in the text box. After you are done with it, you can now go ahead and tap on Done, and this will save your signature. So that's how easily you can add a signature on Yahoo Mail. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.